In today's video, we're gonna show you how we started off repairing one little section thinking it was gonna be, just one little section. That led into a few holes here, a few holes there. Next thing you know, we're cutting half the A-pillar out. We're gonna show you how we turn this into this. Stick around for today's episode. Do it a little bit, move.
That's pretty dang close. You did work, babe.
What are you doing?
Nothing's happening here.
Why is the trailer behind a truck?
Trailer, it's a very good reason the trailer's behind the truck. I have to take the trailer somewhere.
Mom's gonna kill you, isn't she?
Mom's not gonna find out because you're not gonna tell Mom, right?
Sure. What are you going to get?
Going to get something that's free. It was listed for free. That's it. What I'm going to get is free, so no need for Mom to worry. All right, we'll go pick up this free thing. We made it. Almost a 5-hour drive. I feel like we're driving into like a government fortress or something. Alright, so all the pieces are tacked in. All the plug weld sections, those have been welded in. Give you a quick look at. Here she is. Like I said, it's tack welded. These sections are plug welded to the thicker steel behind it. Same way there, same way there, same way there. And then we went through, we've tack welded our way around it. These are plug welded to the seam here. We'll go back and, like I said, work our way around the piece, tack welding it. Don't want to get it too hot, but I mean the fitment on this is going to be nice. You guys seen how we work the gap right here? We'll go ahead, finish welding that, sand her down, then we'll check it back out to see the finished result. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video. If you made it to the end, huge shout out to you. How about drop a like, because I feel like crap. Luckily, most of all this video was filmed throughout the week, about 4 a.m. in the morning. And I'm glad that I did it that way, because right now I feel like crap. Luckily, all I gotta do is edit. So how about smash the like button, say a prayer, I get to feeling better quick. This was one of them projects we thought was gonna be just a simple little patch. As you guys saw in the video, you find more and more and more. Felt like I was building a camper all over again. But we're gonna crush the 1,000 subscriber goal, so thank you to all the new and thank you to all the old OG subscribers. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I got a few videos in the pipeline. One was, you see me loading up the trailer. Let me know if you guys wanna see more of that. Two, I got a video that I've made called Every Tool That I Own from Harbor Freight. Let me know if you guys want to see more of that. And yeah, for those of you who've been watching for a while and for you new viewers, let me know for our 1,000 subscriber video, which is going to be a compilation of our whole YouTube journey. We're like 20 subscribers away from smashing that goal. Let me know if there's a highlight, a favorite moment you have from the channel. That's about all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, remember, if you want to get good at something, you got to suck at it first. If you ain't talking projects, we don't want to talk. D-Mac, signing out. See you guys in the next one.